In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Incognito in Google Chrome. If you've ever wanted to browse without leaving a trail on your device, Incognito mode is the quick, built-in way to do it. It takes just a moment to open, and I'll walk you through the two simplest methods, plus how to know it's working and how to exit when you're done. First, the fastest way. Use the built-in keyboard shortcut. With Chrome active on your screen, press Ctrl, Shift, and N all at the same time. Do it in one smooth motion. The instant you press those keys together, a brand new window appears with a darker theme. That's your private window, ready to go. If nothing happens the first time, make sure Chrome is the app in focus and try again. Once you get used to this shortcut, it becomes second nature and saves you from clicking through menus. If you prefer using the mouse, there's an easy option right inside Chrome's menu. Look up to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots to open the menu. In that list, choose New Incognito Window. It's typically near the top of the menu and clearly labeled, so it's easy to spot. Click it, and a new, dark-themed window opens immediately. You'll know you're in private mode because the entire window switches to a darker look, and you'll see the incognito icon in the corner. That visual change is your confirmation that you're browsing privately. In this mode, Chrome won't save your browsing history or site data from this session. That means when you close the window, the records of where you went and what you did during this session aren't kept on your device. Keep in mind, Incognito is designed for local privacy. It doesn't make you invisible to websites, your school or employer's network, or your internet provider. It simply keeps this session from being saved on your computer. When you're done, going back to normal browsing is just as simple. Close the incognito window like you would close any other window, and that session ends right away. Everything you did in that session is wiped from your device immediately, and your regular Chrome windows, if you had any open, remain unaffected and continue as usual. That's all it takes. Whether you prefer the quick keyboard shortcut or the easy menu click, you now know exactly how to open, recognize, and exit Incognito in Google Chrome. Private browsing made simple. You're all set, done.